Welcome back to Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and we're gonna get straight into our explosive penny stock watch list. So the first stock we're looking at here is Humbl on the daily time frame. And today was the day that we were dreading here on Humbl, down 12%, and we broke down below our 200-day SMA. And so this right here was extremely bearish, and there's nothing really I can say to sugarcoat the price action right now. We are in a steep downtrend. And so a lot of people who have been holding are getting very nervous right now about what to do with their position. And I'm going to tell you guys straight, hold this stock, buy this stock whenever you can. That's it. Pretty simple. This isn't rocket science with this stock. This is going to be a pioneer. This is going to be a beast of a stock that is trading at a $1 billion market cap. And I've said this before, I believe that Humbl in the next couple of years is going to be trading above a $20 billion market cap. And so you guys can do the math and figure out what that share price equates to. But that is my price prediction overall. I just think that the scale of this company is massive. The moves that they're making are insane. And the future prospects of where this company can go is insane. So check this. Let's say you get paid every 2 weeks. So you get a bi-weekly check and you take 10% of your paycheck and you put it into buying Humbl stock. And let's say you did that for about a year. So it's 52 weeks in a year, divide that by 2. So we have 36 times that you are going to be buying Humbl, whether it's at $3, whether it's at $1, whether it's at $5, whether it's at 30 cents. For a full year, you've put 10% of your paycheck into buying Humbl. Humbl is going to make you a lot of money. And so a lot of people will say you should diversify your portfolio, but I think those people are scrubs. I do think diversification is safe, yes. But are we here to be safe? I'm here to make money. And so there's a business out there that I find extremely promising. I like the management team. I like the fundamentals of the company. I like the space that they're in. I like the type of profit margins that this company could yield. And I see a strong future for this company. I am the type of individual that will put a lot of my money into it. When a lot of people are telling me to diversify or put money here, I don't believe that. I believe that if I do my due diligence, which I have on Humbl, and I believe that the stock is as strong as I believe it is, I will put my money where my mouth is and I will put the money in there and I will continue to buy as it's going down. And that is how you make money. A year from now, remember this, if you execute this strategy, that 10%, if you want to save 5% of your paycheck and put it into Humbl, you are going to build a strong base on this stock. And let's say you get thousands of shares by the end of the year on Humbl at $2, $3. This is going to be a stock that's well over $20, $30 at one point. And if you have thousands of shares, you've just made a ton of money, and now you can take some profits out of Humbl and then you can redeploy elsewhere. It's how you play this game. A lot of people throw a lot of their money in all at once and they're like, boom, this is it, I'm going with Humbl. The one thing I've learned is keep the strategy consistent. If your plan is to go all in on a stock, take a percentage of your paycheck and treat the stock like a savings account. If you're a strong believer in the company, don't shy away when the price gets low, because this is the best time to be buying, because once it starts going up, you're going to regret not buying, and then you're going to end up buying at the higher levels and you're not going to get as many shares. So these are golden opportunities to continue to buy Humbl. Humbl is not a stock that you buy once and you forget about it. Humbl is a very rare opportunity for investors. Again, this is one of those once in a generation type investments that recently got onto the market. It just became Humbl this year. And so we are at the beginning stages of this company. You're going to watch this company blossom in front of your eyes. And if you treat this stock as a savings account and you continue to add onto your position for the next couple of years, I can almost promise you that you're going to yield a crazy return on this stock. And so the reason why I'm saying all of this is because this is how stocks work. Whether it's a good stock or a bad stock, they all go up and they all go down. But when they go down, you got to buy the good ones. And we know we have a good one here with Humbl. So don't shy away. Don't get scared. Continue to buy. Just continue to load up. You know that this company is extremely cheap. It's a startup company. And so imagine a decade from now, what you would be telling yourself if you don't buy Humbl, or if you did buy Humbl, you're retired and you just have constant cash flow just coming in from your Humbl investment. Humbl is going to be one of those stocks where one day your average right now is going to be so great that when we have a major correction in the stock, you're still going to be up hundreds of percent. And so just remember that Humbl's already had a very strong run up. The stock was in the double zeros before it actually started trading. And so again, a lot of people have made a lot of money and people are taking profits overall, but you guys already know the structure of their deals, that way that they move overall is extremely promising. And so don't be scared away when you see the price action like this. If you use this strategy and you just continue to buy in every paycheck, you're going to have a huge position in this stock and you're going to have a lot of wealth at the end of the day. And so that is all I really want to say here for Humbl. Yes, the price action is looking bearish, but these are very nice buying opportunities for those people who are serious about making money. Next stock of the day, we're looking at IGEN here on the 30-minute time frame, down 1% today. And during this market sell-off, it's actually held up very nicely. Again, it's still following this triangle. This triangle has a completion day here on May 13th. So today's May 11th. And so I expect IGEN to continue to trade in this range for the next couple days. And so at this point in time, we would love to see the price start to drift up. But until then, we do expect IGEN to continue its intraday volatility. But in the long run, I do think these are extremely cheap prices. Of every stock that I have talked about and held my short-term price prediction, I believe IGEN has the most upside in the short term, whereas plays like those Humbles, the Triple Ds, the Palantirs, those are buy, hold, and then that's it. Like those are just continue to buy. You could keep buying those for years at a time and you will just be thankful that you did. Whereas IGEN right now is load up the boat right now because this is a company that has the potential to absolutely explode in the coming months. And so you can just see it on the accumulation. Accumulation just steadily keeps going up even though our price action keeps going down. So people are buying at these levels, but market manipulation is going to continue to yank it down, scare people out of their positions. And so I personally continue to buy IGEN. I had an order today to buy some more shares, but my order never got filled. And so although I'm upset, that's a good thing because now my orders are not starting to get filled, which means that we are finding a bottom here where the market manipulators cannot really bring it down too much because they know people like me are going to snag up those cheap shares. And so overall, that is creating a solid base on this stock. And so if you haven't heard of IGEN, you will soon. And this stock is going to have a monster run. And you can pin that here, right here on Dummy Boy Finance. There you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like. We are on the road to 10K subs, so if you made it to this point, feel free to hit that subscription button. This is Dummy Boy Finance. I'm Dummy Boy, and I'll see you guys in the next one.